Hi, welcome to Cree News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm BGS Sivakumar. These are the headlines. Continuous achievement at JSW Paradip Port. JSW IPP mechanical team got appreciated from client for replacing the bearing. LG E&D team introduced a new sensor and increased the system availability. Let's see the news details.
Our team creates more achievements continuously at JSW Paradip Port. In our site at JSW Paradip Port, our team had made an achievement by loading around 72,000 empty iron ore fines continuously in 24 hours into the ship MV Navios Polax from 6 am on 25/11/21 to 6 am on 26/11/21. It has to be noted that through this achievement, our team had broken the earlier achievement made on 29/6/21 on loading around 3,409 MT higher. Mr. Satyapatra Mohapatra, Operation AGM, Ms. JSW Paradip and all other IA officials of Ms. JSW Paradip convey their appreciations. Further, our site in charge, Mr. H.K. Mandal, O&M Manager, Mr. R. Rajaram, all departments HOD had conveyed their thanks to our employees. Our SMIC head, Mr. V. Sendilnathan and PPT's resident manager, Mr. A. Ramesh, convey their appreciations and best wishes to our JSW crew team. Our mechanical team got certificate of appreciation for replacing the bearing in wagon tippler at JSW IPP site. Our organization directs repairs through CBM and preventive maintenance to find out the status of equipment in O&M works and finds appropriate solutions and repairs them. While doing the maintenance work, in our IPB site, our mechanical team had found the heavy clearance in in-haul side and out-haul side bearing of wagon tippler Knot 1. Further, during the operation process, an abnormal sound came from the in-haul side and out-haul side bearing, and also the end disc plumber block base got cracked often. This led to huge wastage of time and the operation work got affected totally. And also huge wastage in manpower, the reliability of system got questioned, and huge level of system start-or-stop occurred daily. A mechanical team tried to find a permanent solution and hence explained about the importance of replacing the plumber block bearing to client and got necessary approval along with spare. Further, with the guidance of our I officials, Mr. K. Ravi and R. Ilavarasan, and through perfect planning with all safety measures, a new bearing was replaced by a mechanical team. Due to this effective replacement, wastage on manpower, systems start-or-stop issues have got reduced totally and the reliability of system also got increased. Mr. Tarun Kumar Verma, Ms. Vedanta CHM Deputy Manager, provided a certificate of appreciation to our mechanical team and conveyed his appreciations. Our high officials, Mr. K. Ravi and Mr. R. Ilavarasan, also conveyed the appreciations to our team. Our E&I team had increased the system availability by introducing new sensor at LG site. Our operation is taking conveyor maintenance works on thermal power plants and excellently executing the same. While the conveyor is operated, pull cord was used to stop the conveyor from any place during any emergency situation. Apart from that, more than one pull cord switches could be fixed on conveyors. Accordingly, in our LG site, if any repair happened in any one pull cord of conveyor 4A, it was very hard to find out which pull cord got repaired and much time was consumed to check all the pull cords in order to find the repaired one. Due to which more time, downtime, huge production loss and system availability was also not able to be provided properly. Our team tried to find a right solution for the same with client's approval and installed the belt watch system on all pull cords to find the repair and did a modification on belt watch panel to monitor the belt watch system. Through this belt watch panel, the repair on pull cords could be identified easily and the rectification could be given immediately. This effective modification had reduced completely the wastage of time, downtime and production loss and increased the system availability. The IA officials of Ms. Vedanta LG came to know about this modification and encouraged our E&I team with appreciations. Further, our site manager, Mr. Dilip Kumar Swain, also highly appreciated our E&I team.
These are the developed news from Crew. Subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching.